If you are yet to initiate your withdrawal of CPEN to BitMart, then this video is for you. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. As you all know that the first week of next month, the listing of CPEN will kickstart immediately. So that's the first section of April. CPEN have actually gave a notice that they will be listing on BitMart, and if you are actually want to prioritize your withdrawal, you can actually withdraw directly to your BitMart account. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually get that done. And not only that, and also how, if you look at the recent updates of CPEN, which actually says that you should actually check maybe your withdrawal address is actually correct. So in this video, we're going to be looking at everything as you can actually get it done easy, quick, and easy. Follow me. A CPEN account. So before we go to the withdrawal section, look at the message here. So if you come to the message here, look at the third message sent 3 days ago. It said that you can keep your existing address. You've actually enter. Alternatively, you can enter your BitMart BNB receiving address. So the thing is this: if you use an exchange to make your withdrawal directly, there will not be need for gas fee. But if you withdraw to a wallet, a Web3 wallet, there will be need for gas fee. And if you look at the message sent yesterday, it talks about kind of a breach that was detected in login details, that you should check your wallet address. You can see your wallet address, maybe there's any changes, and if there's any changes, you change that wallet address to the correct one so that your funds will not be diverted. Are you getting my point? So all you need to do is to come to your wallet here. You can see these are wallets. So when you come to your wallet area, then from here you're going to see your wallet address. My wallet address here is actually correct. So if I want to use BitMart, all I need to do is to click on remove address. Then I'll go to my BitMart account and copy my BNB wallet address. So let's go to this is my BNB BitMart wallet exchange. So the first thing I need to do before I copy it is to show you this. If you come here, then I'm going to click around here. So this, make sure your identity is verified before you actually withdraw to this exchange. It's very important. Please make sure you do that. The level 2 identity verification, which will require your ID, must be done before you initiate your withdrawal to BitMart. Please, it's very important. So now for you to deposit, you're going to click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, then here you can see BNB. You're going to search for BNB. You can see the first option at the top. So the first one here, you click on BNB. Then here, the first one, you can see BSC. That is the wallet address we have to copy. So you're going to select the first one, then you click on confirm. So then here is our wallet address. So then we copy, then we go back to our CPEN. Then we go to our CPEN, then we paste the wallet address we've copied. So when you are done, you click on save address. Quick, easy, and straightforward. So do well to like this video, and if you want to start farming airdrop that can give you $300, $1,000, $3,000 as the case may be, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. See you at the top, and have a nice day.